Okay, where are we gonna go? What can you find at Cache Creek parking lot at night with just a flashlight? Well, you're gonna find a lot of weirdos. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Good morning, my fellow campers. It is now day 3 of our epic mining journey to Cache Creek, Colorado, and I'm ready to get out there and get some more gold, although I will tell you, I'm a little tired. Although it may seem like a good idea to camp right next to running water, I mean, it seems convenient, right? You can just go get the water, for cooking and washing, it's right there. Well, there's one problem, and that's the noise of the river. The constant noise of the, well, this isn't really a river, it's more like a little creek, but boy, you know, and if you sit next to running water for too long and you zone out to that white noise that the rippling action makes, that can really start to mess with your head. You can actually start to hallucinate all kinds of things. You'll hear voices, you'll hear all kinds of things, animals, you'll think it's something else. So that really messed with me all night, hearing the sound of the water, and then I got really cold. So we'll see how much gold I can dig today, guys. Oh, look who else is up. Dun dun dun.
There's gold in them there hills.
Alright, let's get breakfast started. To the world at large, there's a relatively unknown part of Colorado known around here as the Arkansas River Valley. And situated near the headwaters of the Great Arkansas River is a little town known as Granite, Colorado. Granite currently has a population of just 116, and that's actually just 4 in the winter. On the west side of the Arkansas River Valley lies the Sawatch Mountain Range, and on the east side lies the Mosquito Mountain Range. Out of Quail Mountain, in the Sawatch Range and into the Arkansas River, pours a small, unassuming, and humble creek known in these parts as Cache Creek. And it was here in 1860 that men found gold. Cache Creek Mining Camp came into existence in 1860, and it was the first settlement in the area that had a population of almost 300 people. Due to the Colorado Gold Rush, Granite's population grew to 3,000 people. After almost 3 decades in 1889, hydraulic mining finally started. But then, in 1911, Cannon City and Pueblo sued the mining company for an injunction against operations due to sediment loads in the river, which was clogging up the town's drinking water supply. Cache Creek has since become reclaimed as public land, and recreational gold mining is currently open to the public.
stretch.
Okay, folks, we are done mining on the third day. That was epic, but we're not done. Can't even believe how much gold we got. We're so excited. But in the meantime,
For some potatoes.
it's time to eat. Now wait.
Until
It's heating that pipe that's reaching up through the thingy. Yeah, just wait until it gets hot.
Exciting.
Oh, it's super exciting. That's how it's done, man. No, you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Now turn it on slightly and then turn it back off again. Turn it back off. Okay, turn it back on. Okay, it's on. Just wait. It's on. Then turn it up a little bit more.
Up?
A little bit more. There you go.
Hey, watch out.
Okay, the spuds have actually gone in. Oh, there we go. This is what we've got. This is what we're making. Oh yeah, it doesn't really have like a temperature control, so you're kind of fucked. Yeah, I told you it's hot. All right, guys. We're gonna go hit the Cache Creek campground. It's obviously late at night and see who's around. I think we found a friend already. Who's this right here?
This is Rocky.
Oh, what's up, Rocky? How's it going, man?
Just finding some gold.
Yeah, man. Okay, so you're gonna be around for a little while, right?
Yeah.
Cool. You know what? I've got a YouTube channel, so
Is that right?
yeah, I'm gonna put you on my YouTube channel.
Cool.
So that's all right. I'll give you the address in a minute.
All right.
Yeah, check it out. Let's go see who else is around. You'll see Rocky a little bit later. Okay, where are we gonna go? What can you find at Cache Creek parking lot at night with just a flashlight? Well, you're gonna find a lot of weirdos. I'm gonna tell you that right now. All kinds of weirdos are out here. You can see everybody's like kind of just camping in their car. But I suspect that the reason they're camping in their car is because all of the good camp spots have been taken, which is actually just right around this bend. So let's go see who's actually camping here. Who's got the camp spots? Okay, I'll tell you right now, it's kind of weird. I've actually walked the length of most of the camp spots around here. You can see that even this camp spot right here is empty. Like, this is definitely a good place to camp. But apparently, for whatever reason, nobody's in the actual camp spots. And even more mysterious than that, they're just sleeping in their cars. I mean, I don't even get that. I don't call that camping, I'll call that parking. But wait a minute. Okay, somebody's down here. Let's see if they're friendly. They got a big fucking canopy tent. Big operation. It looks like they're fucking sleeping in their car. They don't have a campfire or anything. Doesn't look like there's anybody down here. Let's keep going. Man, I don't think there's anybody around here. Look, even this camp spot's empty. There's a bunch of empty camp spots. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, and there's the hill. All right, let's turn around. Let's go back. Okay, that's it. We didn't find anybody camping. Nobody properly camping. No campfire. There's a couple tents over here. We found a couple tents. But for the most part, I think people are just camping out of their vehicles. You hear that? That's this truck over here. I highly doubt you can see it. Maybe you can hear the fact that I just walked past a truck with its engine on. That's how they're keeping warm. I mean, when you go camping, you build a fire, right? You pitch a tent. That's last time I heard that's what you do when you go camping. You don't sleep in your car with the engine on, with the heater running. What the fuck has the world come to? Who are these people?
They're like 500
right now,
feet, you know, or more away, you know.
And she can literally, her house, I can literally step off of her roof onto the other roof. I'm building a pergola for her.
And this is it's a rich, it's in a rich place.
Yeah,
They're
a lot of them,
close
that's what they
together.
made. And they made these big old fucking houses that are super expensive, big old fancy fucking houses, and just pack them together, like bam, 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 bam. Little teeny yard, right? You can literally reach out the window and like shake your neighbor's hand when they reach out their window. You're like 2 feet.
I think we're on the episode of Late Night Chronicles for Unknown Colorado YouTube channel.
you maybe have gotten a little bit on an episode there.
Yeah.